by.
On location.
Listen, Ken, it's no joke, man. Golden Mobility is open here in PA. Hey, it's Chris Knight, and you got to come on by. Check out the showroom. Beautiful new location right here in PA. And this is your opportunity to maybe do some upgrades to make your mobility easier. Aaron Andre with me right now. We've talked a lot about vehicles. We've talked a lot about scooters. You know, one thing we haven't hit on yet is lift chairs.
Yeah, you know what? A lift chair is a super common item for us. I guess lift chair is just part of the terminology. We call it lift and recline chair. It's not just a chair that stands you up. It also allows you to lay back, have a snooze, relax, watch TV, really whatever.
And you know what? The ability to get out of your chair is so much easier, so much better when you've got one of these. They don't take up a lot of room compared to the regular recliner.
Yeah, you know what? There's options now where they call them wall hugger. So it actually hugs the wall and allows you to still go into full recline. So let's say you're in a smaller place, don't have as much space to work with. Yeah, just so many options.
Plus, they can handle servicing for you. Come and check us out. We're at Golden Mobility right beside Canadian Tire.